Billy Jack on location this lovely morning in Honolulu, Hawaii, on Lusitania Street. This building right directly in front of me, this old historic building, has caught my attention for quite a while now. I drive by this on a regular basis. We're on the side of the punch bowl, right up in here, as you can see directly behind me. We have the Puau Stream Valley to my north. This place's location to this is extremely good. You can see the punch bowl area. Let's take a better look at this lovely building, shall we? Notice the low doors, sunken entrance into this door. Low rear of the building also. Very interesting. This is one of the second business I've seen that's still actually open. You can go into this day and age, 2025, and actually see what's going on here with a mud flooded business that's still in business. I'm not sure what the one next door is. Just amazing this thing is still open right now, and you can go in and see what's going on in here. Billy Jack over and out.